Hello friends! The BMW iM3 is the upcoming all-electric sports sedan from BMW M, set to become a revolutionary replacement for or addition to the legendary M3. It has been confirmed that the car will feature 4 electric motors, one for each wheel. This enables extremely precise torque vectoring without mechanical differentials. The car will feature the Heart of Joy central control unit, which synchronizes the motors and chassis for maximum handling. It is based on the new Neue Klasse architecture, with an 800-volt system. This architecture also enables a maximum power output of up to 1341 HP. It supports fast charging at up to 400 kW, which will add hundreds of kilometers of range in a matter of minutes. The expected battery capacity is between 100 and 108 kWh. Production is scheduled to begin in March 2027. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
You